How to use email automation to recover abandoned carts. Then click on Start Workflow. Open your Shopify site and log into your account. On Home page, click on Abandoned Cart. Customers enter this workflow when they add an item to your cart, and customers exit this workflow specifically when they place an order or start their checkout. There's also trigger filters over here, which mentions start the workflow after added product to cart wasn't updated for 1 hour. Then, after 1 hour, this system will automatically send this email. This is what it's going to look like. So there you can change the subject line here, you can change the pre-header sender name, everything else, and you can also edit the content. You can edit it from here. You can also add a bunch of elements additionally if you want to, or adjust it to fit your liking. Then click on Finish Editing. Then click on Start Workflow. That's it. Thanks for watching.